heartily welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to customize the desktop workstation PC. I have opened the Lenovo workstation and I have made this video how to customize the Lenovo workstation because I want to buy the workstation, but I have opened the Lenovo, DELL and HP, and in other hand Apple iMac Pro are professional workstation for media and entertainment, media and entertainment. So three are except Apple Mac, three are Lenovo, DELL and HP, and in other hand box workstation is very high-end. Box workstation are the very high-end. Is a box high performance workstation, but in my country India we can't buy the box workstation. It is very high price, and it is directly imported from America. For another hand, Acer workstation or Acer workstation India. So India, but I want to avoid the Acer Everone business workstation because I have a option for DELL and Lenovo. But I want to, if you go to the HP, I don't like HP because it is I can't not access easily HP workstation for as my own require as custom. It is not customizable easily. We can't find easily because it is a bit complex. So I would recommend you to choose either DELL or Lenovo. But DELL because I have a system, DELL system, DELL Inspiron 560 model. So DELL and Lenovo is a world leading workstation manufacturing company, and on the other hand DELL is the same price, but the price is very different and the same configuration. You can see here 13th generation. So what do you choose? So what do you have to choose? You have to choose DELL or Lenovo, but I recommended you as a cheap rate. DELL is the first recommendation of my choose. So you can see I have choose the same CPU, same memory. You can see the 13th generation i9 Ubuntu Linux, NVIDIA RTX 8000, 12 gig DDR5 and memory 24 gig, 32 into 2 and 2 dB, and you can see 1,90,000. So you can see without monitor, these machines including keyboard and normal mouse. It is not a vertical mouse, it is a normal mouse, 1,90,000. In other hand, you can see here I have choose the 12th generation Intel Core i9 processor. You can see here it is 2,88,000, 2,90,000. It is the 1,91,000. It is a 1 lakh rupees difference, the same configuration. So you can see here memory 32 gig DDR5, 32 gig total 64, 32 gig into 2. Graphics card NVIDIA RTX 8000, 12 gig DDR6. Operating system ubuntu and processor. So let's start from start. So you can compare the price. The processor 12 generation. What? So in this video you watch the video what is my first choice in the brand Dell. What I won't choose the Lenovo. Lenovo is more expensive than the Dell. So you can see so 12th generation Intel Core i9. You can see vPro processor 60,000 or precision. So you can see here precision. You can see here show update total. So you can see here 13th generation Core i9. It is a 13th generation. It is a 12th generation i9 12,900 vPro. So you can see here 13,900 and i9 24 cores, 32 threads, 5.6 gigahertz turbo, 65 watt, and e-cores up to 3.80 gigahertz, P processor up to 5.00 gigahertz vPro processor. It is a vPro. vPro is the special professional CPU. It is there. So this is a vPro. This is a special processor. So in other hand, next I have to choose Ubuntu Linux. So Ubuntu Linux. So operating system Ubuntu Linux. Surprisingly, they charge 2,500 for including for installation Linux Ubuntu, but we can't if we don't but we can get the Ubuntu Linux from internet totally freely. So you can see here motherboard Intel Alder Lake. So you can see here Ubuntu and chassis, the memory. Next, the memory. You can see here the two 64 gig, total 64 gigabyte. I have choose because 64 gigabyte RAM, DDR5 RAM is I choose the 64 gig because sometimes I want to sometimes some video editing software requires more RAM power. So next memory I have already 32 gig into 2 quantity 32 gig. You can see here the memory 32 gig into 54, total 54,800, 31,300 each. So after deduction 54,800. So you can see here 64 gig into 2 into 30, 25,000 plus 25,000. So you can see here total saving. There are total saving 2,23,000 total saving. Price inclusive of GST. Free delivery selection may result in additional update to the overall configuration. No cost EMI available. See option at checkout. Finance. No cost EMI. There are no EMI costing, but here we can see we can here if I want to buy the Lenovo, I can get the EMI price. So next, the video card. This is a very important NVIDIA RTX A2000 12 gig DDR6. This is a VRAM, 12 gig VRAM. So in another hand, you can see graphics card, video card, graphic card, GPU. You can say the GPU NVIDIA RTX A2000 12 gig DDR6. Here you can see here 12 gig DDR6 4 mini dB. You can see 4 mini dB. DDR6 we don't understand what how many dp or how many HDMI are there. So the next is the SSD. The storage configuration. Here are some options. The hard drive configurations. If I have this option, but I can't understand the hard drive configuration selected because I have choose the operating system Linux. So if you understand, please help me and leave a comment. So how can I solve? So C1 SSD boot drive, you can see here from the DELL RAID 1/4 So I have choose 2 TBs 3.5 inches SATA hard disk drive. I don't need SSD because Linux, Ubuntu Linux gradually has very high speed operating system. So I don't need a SSD. It speed up to boot, so open any operating system. If your system is running in Windows, so you can choose the SSD. So if you choose the SSD, any software, to open any software, it takes a very few time to open any kind of software, any kind of operating system. So I don't need SSD. So I have choose the same thing. Here I choose the mini dp to dp. So next thing, yeah, 2 TB SSD. This is OBM. Second, first storage. And optical drive, slim DVD-ROM 9. I had choose there are option to choose optical drive or slim DVD ROM. First storage drive, I have choose the 2 TB SSD PCH in DELL. I have choose 2 TB, this one, and the rest of the part these are not very important. DELL, I have choose the DELL multimedia keyboard, DELL optical mouse. It is a normal optical mouse. It is not a vertical mouse. Vertical mouse is very good for hand. So you can choose the Wi-Fi processor branding, Intel Core i9, SATA, Intel Rapid, internal speaker, no internal speaker, noise sticker, DELL protection, dust protection, no autopilot, Energy Star, support DELL. I have choose the Intel Wi-Fi 6C, this one, and I have paid 1,200 for this additional hardware. And you can see the Lenovo. If you go to the Lenovo website, so you can this one Intel Wi-Fi, this one and this one the same, Intel Wi-Fi 6C A into 21. You can see here 20201 into 211. DELL is very so you can see here DELL is very they provides us the very latest hardware. But in another hand, if you see in the Lenovo, they are not latest as the DELL has. So the Dell, the Lenovo price, if you want to buy the Lenovo workstation, the same configuration as I have configured from Dell, 1,91,000 excluding monitor, and 2,88,000, almostly to 2,88,885 minus 1,90,377.498. So hit enter. You can see here it is 98,507 rupees any unit, because I am opening this, I am opening this website from India, so it is this is the Dell price, it is rupees, it is a rupee price. So you can see here the same configuration, 1 lakh rupees, around 1 lakh rupees less. So if you want to buy the workstation, that is why I recommended you to purchase the Dell, because you can see here the Dell, this is a slim, you can see here this is a slim desktop, it's not a slim, you can see here. And if you go to the Dell Precision has a customizable, this one, this is a threadripper. I don't in next video I would compare the Dell AMD threadripper with Lenovo P620, Lenovo LENOVO P620. you can see here AMD, you can see here Lenovo workstation AMD threadripper Pro. You can see here the Lenovo ThinkStation P60, this model, and this model AMD Ryzen threadripper Pro 5945WX. it is starting, but this is a very professional workstation. Its price, it is not, if you want to get this workstation, I think probably you don't get less price than the Lenovo. So this is a 2,88,000, and this price 1,90,000, almost 90,000 less than the Lenovo. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.